In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix USB external hard drive not showing in Windows 11 problem. So the first thing you may want to do is make sure that it's plugged in and powered on. Next is try restarting your computer. So just head over and click the start menu, then the power button, and restart your PC. Another thing you may want to do is try another cable, port, or PC. And lastly is you should also update your USB drivers by going to the device manager. And to do that, go to the start menu. Then next is open up device manager. So here, expand disk drives. Then next is right click on your device and select update driver. Also restart your PC after making these changes and see if the problem has been solved. And if none of those fixes work, head back to start menu and here search up disk management and you might see a setting named as create and format hard disk partitions. So just open it up until you see this window. And here look for your external device and right click on it. And here click on format. But before you do this, make sure that you back up your files first. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!